both know this is temporary. Maybe we'll last till January. I lost control when you call me baby. If I go down that road, you know you're coming with me. But I'll chase rainy days. Oh, I love the way it tastes on the mattress where I feel safe. The look of bliss on your face. It's the memory from I remember it all now. I don't know why I made you the good guy. I should go outside, let my feelings subside, so I won't be sad. In my mind all the time, all the time, all the time, all the time. But I'll chase rainy days. Oh.
I don't feel it. You know what? I'm just gonna take the textbook as it is. I'm never gonna walk the same. I'm never gonna walk the same. So I'm currently driving to LA, and of course, as the highways and roads do, there's a huge traffic jam in front of me. And I have nothing to do right now, so I thought I'd just like to chat a little bit. In a lab, actually I don't really know what to talk about. I was just jamming out to music.
Use the right lane to take the exit onto the...
I'm on the most left lane. Why is this lane the only one that's jammed? What do you talk about after being stuck for a year inside? You know, at this point, there's really nothing to talk about except the fact that you were stuck inside the whole year long. But of course, everyone's gonna be talking about how quarantine sucked butthole. I'm feeling really Emma Chamberlain right now. But obviously, I'm not Emma Chamberlain. If you can already tell, I don't think I should be talking when I'm driving. I'm low-key wobbling in my lane. Feeling really intimidated already because everyone here is either older than me or super older than me. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna go.